Ilan na ba sa'yo? Ha? Wala siyang pera.
Ito. 300 mo na lang para hindi mahirap.
Bilang.
This is yan, puta kayo na.
Ready?
Para tables have turned.
Okay,
Ready?
1.
Ibaba ko muna.
Oh my God, kinakabahan ako.
Space.
Ikaw mag-flip. Mickey, ikaw mag-flip.
Ready? 1, 2. Pero malaki siya, no?
Pagka binato ko to 2 kilos.
O, 2 pieces lang. Parang kagaya yung sa chicken, yung parang chicken tacos mo rin.
Ano yung toyo?
Kailangan na yung toyo?
Pampano yan, pampapinoy.
Ako nakitang mamaalat at sisig.
Toyo dun.
Anong toyo yung sabi nila?
Ayan lang.
Isla.
Yung red, spicy talaga.
Sakto lang.
Ano yung red? Baka magpaiyak na.
Hindi dapat kasi doon ka. Oo, isa pa.
Ilang kinakontihan ko kasi baka chinadjudge ko. Marami akong country. Ano to?
This one. Ay, para kasi Mama Mary. Hindi yung ano. Oo, soup na lang.
Wala namang laman, no?
Tapos later try papayot. The best. Human drone.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights
Ako na,
fill the
let's go.
streets, spreading so much
You get the spoon niya.
I should be playing in the winter snow.
Spoon and fork.
I'ma be
Kasi
under
baka
the
malaglag.
mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.
Merry Christmas.
Everyone's gathering around the fire. Chestnuts roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word on the street, Santa's coming and reindeer's flying through the sky so high. I should be making a list, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.